Meet the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue, a milestone in Ferrari's history. It's the first ever four-door, four-seater car Ferrari has ever created, bringing luxury, performance, and comfort together in a perfect harmony. The name Purosangue means thoroughbred in Italian, a fitting tribute to its elite lineage. Ferrari didn't just tack extra doors onto this existing model. The Purosangue was born from a completely new layout. It has a mid-front mounted, naturally aspirated V12 engine paired with a rear-mounted gearbox in a transaxle setup. This design achieves an optimal 49-51 front-to-rear weight distribution for unparalleled driving dynamics in its class. Under the hood, the Purosangue houses Ferrari's iconic V12, the F140IA, a 6.5-liter dry-sump engine generating a thrilling 725 CV, or horsepower for us Americans. The performance stats are staggering: 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.3 seconds and 0 to 200 kilometers per hour in 10.6 seconds. With the largest boot ever seen in a Ferrari and foldable rear seats, this means versatility without compromising luxury. In summary, the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue redefines what a Ferrari can be. A truly sporty performance vehicle, yet undeniably comfortable, spacious, and distinctive. Let us know what you think about the Ferrari Purosangue in the comments below. Hit us with a like, and don't forget to turn on notifications. We'll see you guys next time.